For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to assemble a Facile Frame. Facile frames are internal spring frames you need inside of a handbag, small purse, or coin pouch. A question we get a lot is, how do you get the rivets inside the hinges? Let us show you how it's done. Step 1, get the right tools. You will need your Facile frame, which is 2 pieces, hinge rivets, these are just tubular rivets, a hinge pin or guide pin. Another option would be to use a snapper rivet with a ring. This is good for if you are attaching a chain to your purse. Step 2, set the hinge rivet. Line up the frame hinge holes and place the guide pin in the holes. Then place the tubular rivet on the notch of the guide pin. We use the table then to force the rivet into the hinge. The hinge comes out the other end, then go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. If you want to round off the end of the rivet with a peening tool so it doesn't come out, you can do that next. Another optional rivet for assembling a Facile frame is a snapper rivet. This snapper rivet has a ring on the end that is good if you are installing a chain strap on your purse. The snapper rivet acts as a guide pin already and takes a little more force to set. Line up the hinges and insert the snapper rivet. Force it through and it snaps right into place. And there you have it, assembly of a Facile frame. Try it for yourself and find all the tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.